In this video, I'm going to show you a really cool way that you can advertise and make money on Facebook without spending a single penny on adverts. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you a really cool strategy you can use to advertise on Facebook, and you can make some really good profit with it without spending a single penny on adverts. It's a really cool method that I've been using recently, and it's working really well thanks to a Facebook algorithm change. So I'm going to jump on my computer now, show you exactly how it works, and show you how you can get started with it straight away. Right, so you're just on my computer now. I'm going to show you this strategy, and it works amazingly at the minute. Thank you to a algorithm change on Facebook. It's kind of exploding. I'm obviously using it with affiliate marketing because that's kind of what I'm focusing on at the moment. It works great with affiliate marketing, but you can use it with other things like drop shipping, or if you're selling your own products, it would work just as well with that. So the method is Facebook groups. Now, I've talked about Facebook groups before. I'm not talking about going and posting other people's Facebook groups and kind of spamming them. That just kind of work. But this is all about creating your own Facebook group around a certain niche and using that to advertise. And honestly, it is working perfectly at the moment. I'm earning thousands of dollars from this method, and if I put more effort into it, I could even make even more. I know it's working really well. And that is because Facebook is really pushing Facebook groups at the minute. If you look down your newsfeed now, you'll see probably 60-70% of posts that you see are from Facebook groups, and that is because Facebook's really getting behind this idea of community, and they're really pushing it. So they're making groups a lot better, and they're kind of pushing people to them because obviously they want to get around this community idea. So this is the perfect time to create your own Facebook group and monetize it, and it works really well. I'm going to show you now some examples, and yeah, I'll show you some examples. So this is my Facebook group, which I only started about a month ago or so. I've got 2,000 members in it, and it is about affiliate marketing, obviously. So I'm promoting, giving tips and tricks and things about affiliate marketing, building a community around affiliate marketing, but I can also use that to advertise products related to affiliate marketing, like link tracking software or like Builderall or other things like that. I can promote them in this group because that's what the audience is interested in. So yeah, it works really well. So all you do is you create a Facebook group around your certain niche, you provide value, and then you can every now and again post something which is maybe an affiliate product or a product that you're selling, and you can get loads of clicks on it, and you can make loads of sales. But it doesn't just have to be in the make money online niche, and you don't have to have a great following. I'm going to show you some more examples in a minute of it working really well, and you can do it with almost anything. But just to show you, this is my group that I've got 2,000 members. So all you do is you decide what niche you're going to be based in. So obviously I'm about making money online, so I created a group around this. But you don't have to do a group around that. You can do a group around whatever you want. So whatever you're really interested in, you should be able to monetize it. So you create your Facebook group, and you want to make sure it's got keywords that people will search on Facebook. So affiliate marketing is obviously what people are searching. As you can see here, it says earn passive income, which is what people are searching. And people might search my name, so it's kind of like ticking 3 of the boxes there with that. So you think about your niche and you put the keywords in the title. Create a cover photo which is attractive, and then when you first start, add your friends to it first of all, just to get some people into the group. And then what you can do is go and find groups similar to yours, join them, and then add people from those groups as friends, and then you can add them into your group. Send it out to people, just let people know that it's there, tell your friends, tell people like that, till you start to get a few people in the group. And then what will happen is, once people start joining the group, and you're providing value in that group, I'll show you some types of posts in a minute, then Facebook will see that people are really enjoying this group, and then they'll start to push it up people's news feeds, and it'll start advertising it for free. So you don't have to spend a single penny on advertising, and you're gonna get people coming to your group and then eventually clicking on your links. And this works out so much better than Facebook pages. So with a Facebook page, you have to pay for advertising and things like that. This works so much better because, as I said, Facebook are basically advertising it for free. So I get hundreds of people joining this group every week, and I on one of the questions when they join the group, I say, where did you hear about it? They say, just on Facebook. Facebook's just advertising it for me now. They come into the group, they see my welcome post, and then there's a link in that welcome post that leads through to an affiliate product I'm promoting. I'm earning commission from that every time someone joins the group. But you can then, what you actually see if you look down the group, people are just commenting and having conversations in the group. It's really starting to be a really good community. And then you can just add some value, so post some quotes, post some tips, share some articles, get some really good engagement. So and then when you do want to sell something, then it doesn't stand out and people actually trust you then. So yeah, it works really well. But you haven't got to just be in like make money online niche. I was looking before, so you can, if you say you want to be in the fitness niche, so you're all about fitness, there's loads of groups about fitness. And yeah, you can share tips, you can share tricks, you share things like that. But you could also share some fitness products. So if you go into ClickBank, you look here, you type health and fitness, there's loads of fitness products down here. Red Tea Detox, Back to Life fitness product, Flat Belly Fix, Yoga Burn. So what you do is you create your Facebook group around fitness, like women's health and fitness tips here. It's got 11,000 members, or fitness motivation. You get people joining that group, and then you can just put in your top post some products that you recommend, and people will come through to and click on them and purchase them. And that is basically how it works, and it works really well. And again, there's like these niches for almost anything. So you could think of something that you're interested in, and there will be a group about that, and basically you just create a group about it as well. So there's like dogs here, loads of groups about dogs. There's one here, Dogs Are Family, 68 members. Dogs Make Me Smile, 222,000 members in that group. And you think, well, how are you going to monetize a group about dogs? Well, if you actually go to ClickBank or wherever, like affiliate networks, I just searched dogs before, there's 10 pages of dog products, accelerated training for dogs, cookbook for dogs, training tutor for dogs, brain training for dogs. So again, you create a group around that, post some cute pictures of dogs, you're going to get people interested in dogs joining that group, and then you can share products that they're interested in, like how to brain train your dogs. It's literally the perfect way of advertising, because you're building a community that are super concentrated, that are really interested in your niche, and then you're recommending products that they're interested in, and you'll make so many sales from it. So that is the strategy. It's just a quick video just to show you this really cool strategy. So you don't even have to spend a single penny on advertising at all. Create a community around a certain niche and use it to advertise products. And it works with Shopify or drop shipping, because you could be promoting some products that you've bought from China that you want to sell through your own Shopify store, like dog chews or something like that. And then again, you just recommend it in your pinned post or mention it every now and again. And it works really well. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you've got any questions or anything, just let me know in the comments box below. And if you do this method and it works, let me know how it goes. Thank you for watching. Until next time, cheers guys.